an alliance forming between Davao City Mayor Sara Duterte and former Senator Bongbong Marcos. When these photos circulated online, speculation about the two politicos rose. It happened the day before the presidential daughter's 43rd birthday. It was confirmed in a post shared by Davao City Information Officer Jeff Tupas. A source told Politico that Marcos is bent on running for president but will consider the vice presidency opposite the Davao City Mayor or Manila Mayor Isko Moreno. Senator Amy Marcos accompanied her brother in that Davao City visit. When asked if there's a possible Duterte-Marcos tandem in 2022, the lady senator said,
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.